This is exciting.
Okay, so we have a big day.
A big day to the girls.
My grandma is 83 years old, and she is ordering her first Louis Vuitton. Grandma, what one are you getting?
I'm getting the Neverfull MM with the beige inside. And the price is $1,320. And when the bill comes, I'll probably drop dead.
And then we'll get her purse. But we would rather have you than the purse, so it's okay. Okay, so we're going to call. We're in Utah, so there is not a store we can go to. So she's going to order it over the phone, and then we will have it shipped to her house. I tried talking her into getting the red or the pink, and we keep looking down because we're just on Louis' website right now. I wanted her to get the red or the pink inside, but she just thinks that the
Beige is more natural for me.
But I just said you're young and spunky and full of life, so I wanted you to do the pink because that's
today. But what's tomorrow going to be?
No, it'll be awesome. So I have the pink Neverfull, and you can go watch my video on that, my unboxing. But I have the pink, and I was just telling her that this also comes with it, which is like you're getting a 2-for-1 because I love my wristlet also that comes with the Neverfull. So I was just saying, if you don't want to take your big purse, you can stick your credit card or some cash or your phone or whatever in this little wristlet.
And go.
And go. It's like the best thing ever. So
probably use it more than the bag.
we are going to use I know that's actually what I do. I mean, look at this.
Yeah.
I just shove everything in here.
Yeah, that's cute.
It's so spacious in here. I have like every gift card, every credit card, everything I just shove in here. And it's nice because it's divided on the two sides. So it is. And then you have like the wristlet, so you just put it around your hand. That's usually what I do, is just put it around my wrist and go. Then you don't have to lose your wallet. Good for you.
Sounds like a winner.
Okay, Kels, we're ready for that number. And I'm trying to stay out of this video because I look so deathly. I have zits. I just came from the gym, but we wanted to be here to document my cute 83-year-old grandma getting her first Louis. I'm so proud. Okay. So I'm gonna cut off and then we'll start. Okay. Christmas Day has come. Only you are the Santa Claus because you're paying the bill.
Yeah.
But her Louis came. We are doing an unboxing of my 83-year-old grandma who just ordered her first Louis Vuitton. So take it away, Gigi.
Well, he finally came. It was 10 to 9 last night before he showed up, and I waited all day for him. But I'm happy to receive it. I'm opening it up because the girls wanted to see and make sure I got what I ordered.
Yep.
And so here
And
we
it's
go.
kind of a family affair. I have my brother, my sister-in-law, my sister, my little girl, her little boy. Everybody's out here.
Well, I'll tell you what, they've really packed him good in here.
Good. And so you can give us what you think from the packaging, like ordering it online. So you ordered it on Louis. We called and ordered it over the phone.
Yes.
Because we're in Utah right now, and they do not have a Louis store. So this is how it came when she ordered it.
Oh, I
that.
hate
Look
to
at how
open
cute.
it. It's so
Okay,
beautiful.
turn it this way so everybody can see how the packaging is. And read your little card they sent you.
Oh, card.
And that's
Maybe
Gigi's
it's a love
birthday
letter.
present.
I don't want to read it. If it's from Louis,
Maybe it's the bill. Maybe you want to pass that one.
that's for sure.
Can you get it out?
No.
Well, you can just untie it. Maybe it's tight in there.
There we go.
The packaging is really pretty, though.
It's
They
beautiful.
still have that.
Wow. That's worth the price of the money.
The boxes are really nice and thick.
That's worth the price of the,
Thank you.
well,
We'll open it.
Yeah.
You don't want to
On
ruin
the side,
it.
Grandma. It's the white thing. Hold it up.
oh,
Right there.
oh, the white thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, so it's 83. I don't know all these fancy things.
No, look at the cute little envelope. So it came in this little card holder and then a little tiny envelope with
Cute.
with nothing on it.
Yeah, that's for me to send back.
Can I cut on it?
I think you know.
Uh-huh, that's
That's
for
your
me to
thing.
thank you note is right. Look at this.
Okay, so the box is
Oh,
really
my
nice.
goodness. It even came in a beautiful bag.
So this is a dust
Wow.
cloth, so you can keep it. You can put them back in this dust cloth. to store them if you're not going to be using it.
Yeah. Woo. Woo, 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 woo.
Oh,
My bag. Oh, and look, a little bag inside the big bag.
that's
I'll probably
really
use this more than I will the big bag.
yeah.
Oh, wow. That
So-
is very, very nice.
Show us the
isn't it?
inside.
Huh?
I have.
Does
this
your
one.
mommy have that?
So
I think your mommy, your aunts, and everybody else has one.
So this is the Neverfull MM that you ordered. It
Yes.
is the medium size,
Yep.
and she
And I
ordered
love-
the beige.
Yes, I love the
Inside.
beige inside.
She
It's
felt
more for
like
me.
she felt like doing red or a pop of pink was not
My style.
her style. Even though I
That's
think you
right.
are flashy and glam, and you totally could have pulled off either color.
I wish.
No.
Oh,
So
I like this little bag. I
Yeah.
think I'm going to use it more than anything.
So the cool thing with this too is you can just
Snap it.
snap it right here,
And snap it on my belt. On my
and
pants.
and then you just link it right here, so it has just the little clasp, and you put it right on there, and then it's a little wristlet, and so when you go places, you can just put it around your wrist,
Woo.
put your, credit card and your phone, whatever,
With my luck, I better put it around my neck.
a chain. Actually, you could start something new, Grams. It'd be a little choker. Chokers are
Yeah.
in. So
Oh,
will you
I
put it
love
on
it.
your shoulder so we can see what it looks like on?
Okay. Let's zip this
Yep.
up
So you
the
just
side.
fold those in on the sides.
Yep.
There you go. And from mine also, I feel like these do they don't stay really, Chloe, please don't. They're not the sturdiest at the beginning, but the more wear you get, they stick a little bit
Oh,
better.
yeah, that's just a perfect size for me.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
love
so
it.
cute, Grams. That is so cute.
And Gramps, how tall are you so that people know this?
Oh, I'm 5'2" in height. Yeah.
And what is
So-
your social security?
Andrew, get out of
And
here.
what
You've
credit card
already
did you
pulled
put
one
this
trick on me. What's your social security?
Let me just do a close up. So, Neverfull MM with the beige inside that has the clasp
I love the box.
that
I'm
will
not gonna
stay
get rid
on
of
the
box.
sides. No, and the boxes are the best because you just put it back in the dust
man.
cloth.
That
and
was
then
really fancy.
The boxes are so thick and so nice. They fold and store
Yeah.
really well. But she, like I said, decided to go with the beige, which is just classy and nice. It comes, all Neverfulls come with this wristlet as well. And I think it's the Neverfull, I think that's why it's so popular, is because you really do get like a 2-for-1, because that's like a purse itself. And this is what it looks like on the inside.
That's just a good size too.
Yep, it's perfect. You can't really get it's just a tan taupe color.
Yeah.
And then it
What does that
has a
say in there?
big,
People are gonna want to read that. Like,
so it just has this Louis Vuitton. And I don't know French or whatever it is. Can't read the rest. But,
Well, it's going to be just perfect for me to take to church
Yeah.
every Sunday with my scriptures in
yep,
it.
and in and out.
Oh yeah.
And the movies, don't forget that, your big
That's right.
But this is a nice big deep pocket right here too that you can store a lot of stuff, and then it has a zipper. So it is really nice. And then you can tie it, clasp it together. So
Yeah.
it's not the best for having like little items, but that's
For
why you
security.
have this and then that deep inside zipper pocket, and that helps
Oh.
hold it. But Grandma, yay! You should have done
Well,
this
for
a long time ago.
$1,300, it better come with something.
Yeah. There's a little.
Yeah.
Here, let's get
That's
this
really
one.
nice,
Yeah.
isn't it though?
So nice, and the gold is
Yeah.
nice, and it stays. This is what's so nice about Louis too, is that it just keeps its shape, and
Yeah.
it just stays like that.
And this here
Yep.
wears good.
Yep, everything
it.
is just top quality. So
Well, I
Yay,
appreciate you
Grams.
girls helping me get it.
hooray! Thanks, Gigi, for sharing your first experience. Okay, one more part that came in the box. This comes with all,
And we didn't
whether
see
you
it.
buy in the store or online. They send you this is what your bill comes in, or your receipt.
Your bill is something I don't want.
Yeah, it's a receipt, but nice envelope, huh?
Yes.
Nice
beautiful.
thick envelope.
They do everything very first
Yeah.
class.
Yes.
Very first
The
class.
best,
The
thickest
best.
quality.
Yep.
And
You're
that
not
kinda just gives a
kidding.
little
And
bit
all
more
the
information.
instructions
How to
on
care
how to
for your
take
Louis.
care for my. Yep. Yep. Yep.
And then,
Yep.
is that the receipt? And what was the official price? I know you said it before, but for the Neverfull MM.
1,320.
But you're gonna look so good. And Louis are the boyfriends that don't talk back.
Yeah.
That will make you always look good.
1,320 is what it was. Yeah. That's all right.
The best boyfriend. He's gonna
Yeah,
make you
you're
look
not
so
kidding.
good.
Louis is going to be with
He's-
me the
he's-
rest of my life.
He's going to the grave with you.
That's right. No, your mother wants Louis, but I'm through with
Well,
him.
she's not
Goodbye,
getting
babe.
it, Sharon.